Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn where to find the Candy Dry Reset button by model and how to use it. Step 1. Reset the safety thermostat. Rear panel reset. Turn off the dryer and disconnect it from the power supply. Remove the screws securing the rear panel and carefully take the panel off. Locate the heating element housing at the back of the machine. Find the safety thermostat mounted on the top of the heating element housing. Look for a small raised red reset button or a reset pinhole. Press the button firmly until you hear or feel a click. For pinhole versions, use a thin tool such as a SIM ejector tool. Refit the rear panel and tighten all screws securely. Reconnect the power and run a test cycle to check if heating has been restored. Step 2. Perform a power control board reset. If the control panel is unresponsive, error lights are flashing, or the dryer is experiencing cycle glitches, a power reset can clear temporary faults. Turn the dryer off using the power button, unplug the appliance from the wall socket or switch off the circuit breaker. Leave the dryer disconnected for 10 to 15 minutes. Allow any remaining electrical charge to drain from the control board. Restore power to the dryer. Turn the machine back on and select a drying program. Start a cycle and check whether the issue has been resolved. Step 3. Reset Candy Smart Pro and Grand Vita models. For Candy Smart Pro, Grand Vita, and other smart-enabled models, the control system may occasionally freeze or require a manual reset. Turn the dryer on, press and hold the start and pause button for approximately 15 seconds. Wait for the display and controls to refresh. Release the button once the control panel responds. Select a new drying program and start the cycle. Disabled Child Lock LOC display. If LOC appears on the display and the controls do not respond, the child lock feature is enabled. Locate the last two function buttons on the control panel. Press and hold both buttons simultaneously for about 2 seconds. Wait for the LOC message to disappear. Confirm that the controls respond normally. Restart your selected drying program if necessary. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment, and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.